and Ian Fornillos, who leads the team in rebounding at 10 per game. 3 probably coming from the offensive glass. And right on cue, he will finish off the 6th.
No, sa offensive
Yan ang
rebounding.
hirap sa'yo, Coach Mike. Porket never pa tayo umupo magkasama. Ang finifeed mo ay... You're feeding Einstein.
Quick double team. Nice slide. Reyes though, masyadong malalim. Gabat in transition. Dire-diretso. Binitbet. Lays it up and in. Sanga is free for free. Short. Felicilda the rebound. Outlet to Reg Gabat. Fading away over Dan Sara. Gets that one to drop. Bounce pass inside. Kalisay backdoor cut. Wala. Luciano, right place at the right time.
Part of the offense by Zamboanga. Gets the backdoor here. You force the defense to rotate. Opens up the offensive rebound.
Malaman natin mamaya. Binyan will take on Negros in our third game. Wow, Paeng Are chasing that basketball. Puts it in. Leaving everyone in the dust. Jore at the post. Sizing up JC Luciano. Bola na agaw ng Zamboanga. Fast break opportunity muli. Paul Sanga firing from the corner. Tatalbog palabas. One and done by Iloilo. On the run, Paeng Are, nakabuelo. Lays it up and in. Quarter.
And more importantly, setting the tempo. Look at the fast break numbers as John continues to pour on. That's his shot right there. For Zamboanga compared to only 11 para sa Iloilo. That's really the story of the game.
Hernandez puts it in plus a foul.
He has received most of his credentials from that team, he said, but moving to Iloilo with the other superstars of the league is humbling but also challenging as it is refreshing to play. Kwento nga nila, nung una daw silang nagkita-kita sa practice, parang rookie feels daw ng mga gustong maging relevant pa rin. And they are excited for Season 8. Ken, Coach Chris.
Maraming salamat, Tia. Kung akala mo, Coach Chris, he would finish enduring numerous heartbreaks and milestones, but now entering a new chapter here with Iloilo with a guy like Paul Sanga, who's a dead shot from the outside, knocks down another 3.
Kay Reg Gabat.
Hernandez against Kalisay again. Bumiretso, puntos na naman. Ay nako, binlock the ball. Look at those guys crashing the offensive glass, leading to this open opportunity. Another one, Kalisay for 3, book it.
With a 3-pointer in the end. Perez with a running shot.
Felicilda with rebound number 6. Tumatakbo si Felicilda. And now his 10th assist, a double-double for Janjan Felicilda. 5 seconds left. Paul Sanga, pull-up 3. Pumalong palabas. At dyan nagtatapos ang ating third quarter pretty much.